Oh my god, they actually issued one.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Fayette County, east central Montgomery County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Witt, or 6 miles south of Nokomis, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. The hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Nokomis and Witt around 7:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Colton, Winona, and Omen.
Where the other ones take them?
Siding and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Nokomis and Witt around 7:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm